Alright, last problem here. So, not only can trig help us find unknown sides, but again, it can help us find unknown angles. So, I want you to check out the example on page 106, and we're going to see how this is done. Okay, so turn to page 106, it's just the next page in your textbook. Alright, so it says a small boat is 95 meters from the base of a lighthouse, and the lighthouse has a height of 36 meters above sea level. We're going to calculate the angle from the boat to the top of the lighthouse, and we're going to express our answer to the nearest degree. So again, pictures are really important. Okay, so here's the water right here. Okay, and there's a lighthouse at the end. How do you draw a lighthouse? I don't know. There's a lighthouse, and our boat is over here. Should probably draw it not in the water, but above the water. Alright, and they tell us that this distance, the distance from the boat to the lighthouse, is 95 meters. The height of the lighthouse, so the height of the lighthouse, that's this distance, is 36 meters, and that just creates a 90-degree angle there. And they want the angle from the boat to the top of the lighthouse, right? So if I draw a line from the boat all the way to the top of the lighthouse, okay, I'm looking for this angle theta right here. Okay. All right. So how do I find that theta angle? Well, again, we just start with our tangent ratio. Tan theta equals the side opposite, which is in this case 36, over the adjacent, 95. And this time, we're solving for theta. We're trying to find that unknown angle. And again, just try to think back in the notes here to how we did that. How did we find those unknown angles? Well, we use the arctan function on the ratio that tan theta is equal to. Right? To solve for theta, all we need to do is we need to go arctan, remember that's second tan, 36 over 95. And that will tell us what the angle is. Right? So do that in your calculator. Arctan 36 over 95. And that gives you, to the nearest degree, that gives you 21 degrees. And that makes sense. I mean, that looks like a 21 degree angle. So I want you to just, again, pause the video and try out the your turn at the bottom of the page there. Okay, you're going to be looking for an angle again. See if you can find it. Alright, so now that you've had a chance to try it out, let's see if we can figure this out. A radio transmissions tower is to be supported by a guy wire. Okay, so here's my tower, and it's supported by a guy wire. Okay, so a guy wire is just one of those wires that supports the tower so it doesn't fall over in the wind. Okay, the wire reaches 30 meters up the tower, so this is 30 meters here, that's where the wire attaches at the top there. And it attaches to the ground at a horizontal distance of 14 meters from the base of the tower. What angle does the guy wire form with the ground to the nearest degree? Well, again, since this is a 90-degree angle here, we can use the tangent ratio. So tan of our angle here, theta, is equal to 30. Tan theta is equal to 30 over 14. And to solve for theta, we just arctan the other side, 30 over 14. And that gives us arctan 30 over 14. That gives us 65 degrees if we round to the nearest degree. Okay, so 65 degree angle.